I can only retain 5 to 6 words and then my mind goes totally blank. I don't know what is the right approach. Should I close my eyes? Should I note down while listening? I keep losing marks in Write From Dictation and I don't know why. If any of this sounded like you, then this video is for you. Cause in next 3 minutes, I'm going to fix all the problems and you are going to regain your 50 marks that you didn't even know that you were losing. At first, let me tell you that how important this question type is. This single question type contributes 45 to 50 marks to your entire scores. So it's like one question type and two massive impact. Now you have to reframe one thing that Write From Dictation is not a memory test, not a listening test, not even a writing test. Then what it is? It's a system test. And if you don't know the system, you are obviously failing the exam. So to fix it up, note down this 5 strategies. Strategy 1. Repeat the sentence in your head just the second you hear it. After the audio ends, your brain has 2 seconds. Use those 2 seconds to replay the sentence. If you don't do this, nothing else will work. Strategy 2. Chunk the sentences into manageable pieces. Like if the sentence is of 12 words, then chunk it into 4 chunks. Like the research conducted by the university revealed surprising results about climate change. Then let's turn it into only 4 chunks. The research conducted by the university revealed surprising results about climate change. Then suddenly 12 words becomes only 4 chunks. Easy, right? There are many methods. You have to experiment what works best for you. Method A. Close your eyes, listen fully, and then continue the sentence after the audio ends. Or method B. You can listen and write together. Method B. Listen for the first half and then write, and then listen for the second half and complete it from your memory. Method D. Write down the first letters of every word or each word you can remember and then fill it in with your memory. Strategy 3. Log on to the content words. If a sentence is like, the professor explained the complex theory of the curious students, then you need to pick the content words. Like, professor explained complex theory, curious students. And then you have to fill it in with the article prepositions from your grammar instinct. Strategy 4. Train your ears to not just listen but also understand the sentences. To improve this, open any YouTube podcast, slow it down, take any 10-second clips, listen and write down word for word. 15 minutes a day and you'll be the students everybody asking for tips. Final strategy. Check your spellings, grammaticals, punctuations clearly before you tap to the next. Okay, now let me show you a simple practice. So now you can see that I've opened the platform in front of you and I'll practice a sentence here. I will chunk the sentences into pieces and you'll see how it goes. So let's get started.
You might not have the flexibility to manage your time when reading the text.
You might not have the flexibility to manage your time when reading the text. So you can see that I've managed the words into you might not have the flexibility to manage your time when reading the text. Just the chunks. And it worked like magic. Let's submit. Okay, so this is my score, 14 out of 14, and my sentence is totally correct. No missing words, no incorrects. Now you know that Write From Dictation is the easiest 50 marks in the entire PTE. That's all for today. Hope you liked this video. If it was helpful, then hit a like, subscribe, and share this to your friend who's prepping for PTE.